My Cavatelli with asparagus, lemon, and fresh ricotta. And we got ourselves a couple minutes to cook this. It's not gonna take very long, and that's how quickly this sauce comes together. Starting with some olive oil and some garlic. So I'm gonna use 3 smashed cloves of garlic, right? I don't feel like mincing them, I just want the essence. We're gonna get them a little golden and then pull it out, kind of break it open a little bit. And what I like to do is just kind of tilt the pan, give it a little head start, and that's all you want to look for. I don't want to fry them up too much. I just want to slowly kind of just coax that flavor out of the garlic and perfume the oil, and that is what we're doing. All right, next is how do we even impart more spring flavor into this easy pasta? And that is we took the woody stems kind of up to the mid-range level, and we juiced it. Put in a food processor, strain it out, and we're left with this beautiful, pure spring elixir of asparagus juice.
Elixir.
Elixir. Don't throw away those stems, juice them up and use them in your pasta, right, as you would vegetable stock. And then I have the tips and kind of the midsections that we cut on a real nice kind of fancy sharp bias here. Looks good. Feels good. Okay, next thing, this is just whole milk ricotta that we've kind of strained a little bit. If there's a little liquid, you can use it because we are gonna whip this right now. I love the texture of a whipped ricotta. We're gonna kind of mimic that texture by just getting in there. What did that take? What did that take, Jeffrey?
That took 2 minutes.
Unbelievable. I'm actually gonna turn it out just so I can get all my stuff going, and we're gonna throw this. Don't worry about that excess. Pasta water cling to that cavatelli. Or as we say in my house, gabardines, right? I'm gonna add a little Parmigiano Reggiano to this and just a touch of lemon juice. And we're gonna season it with some salt and plenty of cracked black pepper. And this is gonna get dolloped on top of that pasta. I'm gonna add just a couple shots of lemon zest in there as well. And now I can throw my asparagus tops directly in there. And these aren't gonna take much. I'm gonna pull my garlic.
I'll pull it.
I mean, you spread on that crostini, and then you put that on there. Don't waste that.
Boom.
So we're just gonna kind of just quickly, you know, saute this asparagus. We wanna keep that springy nature to it, right? That pasta with whatever reserved pasta water, easy breezy.
I love that you almost set a timer in the kitchen. The minute the pasta goes in the water, that's all the time you're gonna give yourself to make dinner.
Beautiful.
Oh, I love the smell.
Look at that, beautiful.
That is stock to spear cooking right there.
Yep, exactly.
Stock to spear, nice. That's a good one, I like that.
Hey.
Now we're gonna add a little bit more of that lemon juice to brighten it up. And we are ready to plate here. And how do we know it's done? Look at that. Glossy.
Okay, so tell the rest of America how they know it's done, because only Jay-Z knows. He's got his nose in the pan.
Look at it, it's just without any butter, without any sauce, if you will. All that starchy water just clings to those beautiful cavatelli inside that little cave, that hollowed out cave, and you serve it right in this dish. Then some pecorino.
Oh, no.
All on top there. I'm gonna save a little bit for the plate.
Pecorino helicopter.
There,
coming
look
in
out.
for the finish. See, that is a sign of spring to me, too.
Yeah, it is.
Lemon zest, making it fresh.
Making it.
That's not a Monday night vibe, you know? That's like Saturday date night vibes.
And then, of course, the denouement, if you will. Some of those just literally.
I just love it. How did the words denouement and elixir make it into a Monday night dinner? I just kind of want to know.
So I came out hot.
All right.
That's why.
That's a beautiful.
Dollops.
That's a beautiful plate of pasta.
Thank you.
I just want to tell you that's
And
sensational. All right, let's taste it.
I just want to keep plating. I feel like you now. I just want to keep adding things. Oh, hey! We got a little bit of this.
Oh my God.
Beautiful little,
That's beautiful.
tiny little young basil. I love it.
I mean, let's face it. Those are the signs of spring for us.
But this is it's gonna win the evening right here. It was so quick. It takes 10 minutes, and make sure you get just a little bit of everything in there.
It's really pretty.
You have to do a thorough taste.
I am
okay?
thoroughly.
Don't like go 50%. Go all the way.
Lemon, like pleasant grassiness from the asparagus in the asparagus elixir. But this is just a little bit of basil is all you need. The sharpness from the two kinds of the parm and the pecorino.